my sweet wife. She answered me right modestly and curtsied very low. You're welcome to the garden where the pretties grow. And we're blessed with children 3, 2 boys just like their mother, and the girl's the image of me.